Open TextEdit. In Preferences, go to Format and Set to Plain Text. Under the Open and Save tab, check Display HTML Files as HTML code. Choose UTF-8 encoding for a standard HTML file. Open a new file, pause the video, and copy the code you see on screen. Save as index.html.
This guy stinks!
Open a new file again, pause the video, copy the code you see on screen, and save it as about.html. If you want to style it, make it look a little nicer, I recommend checking out my CSS tutorial. Should be on the screen, so check that out.